I'm not gonna bring the camera because this thing's way too heavy. We had a big hike. Here I am once again.
Good shot.
Dude, we're getting the jorts load out here. Because we're not f***ing around, we're sending hard jorts time. Mason is jorting up. Yeah! So it's very important that we are all within regulation of the jorts today. So we're gonna go inspect, make sure he's not over the inseam requirement here. 8-inch inseam, dude. Too long. Too long. This is,
Do I get a fine?
that's spec right there, 4 inches. Just short enough that my might fall out.
Here I am, once again. I'm torn into pieces. Can't deny it, can't pretend. Just thought you were the one. Broken up deep inside. Until I get to see the tears I cry.
Holy How you feeling?
Oh man, I don't know what feelings are.
Fly like a G6 was the answer.
Popping bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right. Getting slizzard, sipping scissor in my ride, like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6.
Give me that Moab wet. Give me that Christmas style. Ladies love my style. At my table getting wild. Get them bottles poppin'. We get that drippin', that drop out. Now give me 2 more bottles, cause you know it don't stop. Hell yeah, drink it up, drink it up. Sober girls around me, they be acting like they drunk. They be acting like they drunk. Acting like they drunk. With sober girls around me, they be acting like they drunk.
Bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right. Getting slizzard, sipping
Stunts.
Stunts. Danger, baby. Let's get it.
Titties, baby. Like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6.
Sippin' on 6. I'ma make it big. Girl, I keep the gangster.
And that's the Gryphus with an X slider, baby.
Every single night. Take that bottle to the head and let me see you fly. Hell yeah. Drink it up, drink it up. Sober girls around me, they be acting like they drunk.
3, 2, 1. Cliff strike. Yes, sir.
18 naked cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch.
So that jump, we opened that yesterday. Maybe opened it, who knows. If it's a new one, we're calling it 18 Naked Cowboys, you know, the Ram Ranch and all. So now Hannah's gonna do her lowest free fall ever. Here she comes. Oh, off heading, right? Fix it. Holy oh my God, she almost just cliff striked. Oh, and hey, boys. 3, 2, 1. Flopping. That's a close one. Holy shit. Oh my God. I almost hit it. There's a slight headwind into the cliff. Of course, the only on-heading floppins I've ever done. Got the homemade harness with the cutaway and the good old baser. Take one. Take one. You're just going to PCA me because I want a prototype canopy. I want to see how she does. Then he's going to do what, speed fly base?
Yeah, something like that.
Something
Prototype.
like that. All right, dude. See you down there. 3, 2, 1. Phew. Nice. Yeah, dude. There he goes. Yeah, dude. Oh, He's on a Gryphus. Yeah, dude.
Is there an SD card in that there or the VH tape?
Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. Too high, can't come down. Losing my head, spinning round and round. Till you feel me now. Ooh, that taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. That taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? It's getting late to give you up.
I got
Took
you.
a sip from my devil's cup. Slowly, it's taking over me.
I hate this.
Too high, can't come down. It's in the air, it's all around.
Oh, no cliff strikes. Fucking boring.
Ooh, that taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic?
Nice! Nice, dude!
Toxic.
Nice.
I can't believe you made the LZ. You f***ing sicko.
Dude, I came between these two bushes and kicked the top. Woo! The first base jump off the bus ever. It's off of roadside. It's 190 feet to the top of these bushes.
That one's the best. Good job, dude.
I would discourage anybody from trying that because there's a super big ledge that sticks out, and when you have a vehicle parked, one, you don't have a good runner, good separation, and that ledge was in my face, and then Zach literally like sucked his feet up to avoid hitting it, right?
You didn't touch it though.
So that was my biggest off-heading of the trip. It was my only major off-heading slider down, and of course it was on one of the lower jumps. That's how it goes sometimes, but it's super impressive to see that I still made the main LZ with having a 100-degree off-heading, turning it around, and just still making it. That's how sick the Gryphus is. I guarantee you pretty much no other canopy would have landed where I landed with that off-heading. The Gryphus did great. We did probably 40, 50 jumps over the last 3.5 weeks. And on that note, we're out of here. We're leaving Moab. Go check out the Gryphus, exilebase.com. I also run FJCs at the Prine Bridge. I got a bunch of new courses next spring, or this spring rather, coming up starting April, May. If you're interested in learning to base jump and you have skydiving, paragliding, speed flying experience, shoot me an email, info@exilebase.com, and we'll get you set up for the FJC and you can learn to base jump. But do not think you're gonna come straight to Moab because this place is unforgiving. It'll break you, it'll eat you up and spit you out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.
Too